Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? It's been long that I posted a video. I have something that kept me out from UIT for some time now, so I have not been posting video. But thank God that I'm back. There's a video that I would like us to discuss about. This video is a video from Nigeria. When we talk about insecurity in Nigeria, Nigerian military has been accused of having some Bookharam members in their midst. Some people will think, you are saying that because you are not in the Nigerian security. You don't know anything about Nigerian security. You are just trying to blackmail the government and their security. But there's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. The video you're watching now is a Nigerian military. He's serving currently in Nigeria. It happened that he's taking some materials from government to supply it to heaven knows who, to give it to some people, maybe bandit or Boko Haram or terrorists, nobody knows. If you pay attention, you will hear his fellow officer accusing him that he's taking this materials to Boko Haram members to attack them. That's to tell you that it is true that even the Nigerian military, even Nigerian soldiers, they know in their midst there are some suspects. They are suspecting each other. So when people say when people say that Nigerian military have Boko Haram members in their midst, it's not blackmail, it's not propaganda. This is a fact, and this video will prove to you that, because for an officer to accuse his fellow officer that you are taking this blood to Boko Haram or bandit or something like that is a testament that what people have been saying about Nigerian security and the Nigerian army in particular is true. So let me not waste much of your time. You can listen to the video and hear it by yourself.
What the fuck? I said this man don't take
What the fuck?
I swear this man don't take. No, camera. No, he's on camera, don't worry.
Yeah, they're recording him. They're recording him.
Wait now, wait. No, give me that knife. Give me that knife. Okay, in took him inside.
You see, the thing is that he took his time, and loaded himself with this bullet. Then he now put on his army uniform, pretending that he's together with other soldiers. They are working together. Who knows where they are? Maybe they are somewhere in Maiduguri or somewhere in the north. Doing their security job there, something like that. Nobody knows.
Now, Cobra, go and cover everybody.
Come on. Come on, your hand.
You make sure, like, no matter how you do this work, you must enter.
What? Another one. Where lose his bet. Let's see.
They pass me. I get that.
Which is true. Which is true. You see, for him to know how to package this thing, the way he loaded himself with this bullet and maybe other equipment, who knows what he have taken away from their camp, and he took his time, loaded himself with this bullet. The way he packaged it will tell you that this is not something that he just started. He must have been doing this for a very long time. That is true.
Wait now, wait. No, give me that knife. Give me that knife. Okay, in took him inside.
Kamilu, if I see any soldier for this place, I'll punish you. You are not going anywhere.
Gently,
Oh, yeah, cover that. Kamilu,
Lima one gently.
Kamilu, cover them up now. Cover them up.
99 days for the team. You go and give Boko Haram this so that they will come and attack us in this camp. Don't worry. God pass you.
When shall he come to the way?
You see, you can give Bookharam this thing so that they will come and attack us. Listen to it again.
99 days for the thief. You go and give Boko Haram this thing so that they will come and attack us in this camp. Don't worry. God pass you.
When shall you come to